Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports, at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1994 Honda Shadow 1100 V-twin liquid cooled, gorgeous mag wheels. Look at the lines on this bike. I love the way the pipes look. This one also has a Hellfire windscreen, Corbin seat with rider backrest. She's in beautiful condition. Tires are fantastic. Only 19,000 miles on this beautiful VT 1100. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come by, make your cruiser dreams come true for just $24.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.